Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Bitcoin from Coinbase to your Tangem wallet in 2025. With the ever-evolving crypto landscape, securing your assets in a hardware wallet like Tangem is smarter than ever. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to keep your funds safe. Let's get started. First things first, before you begin, make sure you have a few essentials in place. You'll need a verified Coinbase account with some Bitcoin in it, and your Tangem wallet should be set up, unlocked, and ready to receive funds. If you haven't set up your Tangem wallet yet, pause this video and do that now. It's quick and ensures your private keys are secure. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account on a secure device. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the Bitcoin wallet from your assets list. You'll see your Bitcoin balance there. Exciting, right? Next, grab your Tangem wallet. Open the Tangem app on your phone and go to the Receive section. This will generate a unique Bitcoin address for your wallet. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Now, head back to Coinbase. Click on the Send or Withdraw button next to your Bitcoin balance. Paste the Tangem wallet address into the recipient field. Double check it. Mistakes here could send your Bitcoin to the wrong place. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Remember, Coinbase might charge a small network fee, so check that before confirming. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button and authorize the transaction with your Coinbase security settings, like two-factor authentication. Sit tight. The transfer should process in a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. You can track it using the transaction ID in both Coinbase and your Tangem wallet. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, to avoid any mishaps. And never share your wallet addresses or private keys with anyone. There you have it, folks. You've successfully moved your Bitcoin to your Tangem wallet. This step boosts your security and gives you full control over your assets. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching.